Good. So somebody sitting at home, because you were employed.
Yes.
Once upon a time.
Yes.
And now you're doing it big time.
Yes.
And someone sitting at home will be thinking, how do I quit my job and make money from home? How can I do that? So my question to you is, how do you quit your job and make money?
Okay. So first and foremost, you don't just wake up and quit your job. You have to have a plan. What are your goals and your objectives with wanting to quit your job?
Yes.
Everybody has a different set of goals that they want to accomplish,
Yes.
and they have different plans for their life. Often at times what I find is that people do not operate from a plan. They'll just say, oh, I hope one day my business will grow big enough for me to be able to leave my job. But you cannot quit your job based on hope.
Yes.
You have to take some form of action.
Yes.
So once you have your idea of what it is that you want to do, how much you want to earn, then you are able to plan and strategize. So for example, I was working in a merchant bank,
Yes.
earning very well, fantastic organization. So at the point at which I decided that I want to be full-time as an entrepreneur, I actually had to scale back.
Yes.
I decided to live on 40% of my income.
Wow.
And 60% was pumped into the business.
Yes.
This was having a clear plan and strategy and following Robert Kiyosaki's principles.
Yes.
So I wasn't waiting on hope.
Yes.
So if you really want to be able to transition, formulate a plan, have a game plan, be accountable, and then execute.
Yeah, and I like the fact that you've just mentioned Robert Kiyosaki, because that's one of the books I read to also kind of, help me leapfrog from being an employed to become an employer or an entrepreneur.
Absolutely.
And I like that because Robert says, see money with your brains and not with your eyes.
Yes.
And by you scaling down to go 40% on your expenses,
Yes.
right, and income,
Yes.
and then using 60% into your business.
Yes.
People would say, hey, well, why are you doing this? And today, look at you. You've
Absolutely.
got numerous students
Yes.
coming to you, learning from you because you've gathered the experience and you've experienced it firsthand.
Absolutely.
Now, this leads me to the next question. How or what do you need to know before you start your own business?
Well, first and foremost, what you need to look at before starting your own business is assessing, is there a market in the gap?
Yes.
Often at times when you find somebody who wants to start a new business, what do they say to you? I found a gap in the market.
Yes.
My question is there a market in the gap?
Yeah.
Because you need to test your hypothesis. Are there enough people that are willing to part with money from their pocket
Yes.
to pay for your product, your service, or your knowledge?
Yes.
And then how much are those people willing to pay? So you need to do all of your necessary research, remove emotion and all those other things. Look at it very pragmatically, and then you can be able to move forward from there.
Nice. So is there a gap in the market? In the next video, I'll share with you what you need to know before you start your own business so that you can avoid these unnecessary common mistakes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.